Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Yes, good evening guys. Fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, July the 28th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars, and this will be number 6828. 6828. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've mentioned it earlier. It has 10 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 10, and it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Do we have here duo boxes contains the 1 and the 2? Let me check. One duo box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need more information. Insufficient information right now. Okay, but when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay, same for this one. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2, and this triple box should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Well, I see here 1 quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers, the 1, the 3 and the 4 could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then, oh, here we have a quadra box. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. The 1 and the 4 could be everywhere. Okay. And now, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so in this case it's a 1. Alright, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Okay, do we have more T shapes? No, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 3. Well, we have a 3 here, so it can be a 3 and more. This box should be a 1 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. Alright. And do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Oh, overlook this T shape. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so in this case it's a 1 here. Overlooked. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape of this puzzle, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box That's the same number as that box. Okay, here another one, mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize. By the way, maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we've only 3 of them. The question is why you need to recognize. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this cross area for the number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. This box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4, 1 and 4 is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 4. But we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 4, then is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. Okay. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, suppose the 4 is in this box. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here, so it can be a 4. It's not the solution, place the 4 there. The 4 is supposed to be here. Alright. So 2 numbers left here for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. So here we have a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 4. Yeah, 2 and 4. Okay. Well, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 here. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay. 1 box left in this area for number 5 then. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. That means we have a 3 here. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 3, because we have a 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 4 and the 3. 4 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so the 5 and the 2 goes together as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, and this box is connected with that box, so we also 2 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area, so it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And I've eliminated the 5 here, so the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those, 3 and 4. 3 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and 3. We have a double 3 there, so that means that this box can be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Then let me see. Come on. These 2. Well. 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box. 1 numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution. Place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 and a 5 goes together as a pair. So I've eliminated the 3 there, so the 3 is supposed to be here. Okay, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. Almost finished. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Yeah. 14 minutes. 4 stars. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, especially it's a Tectonic with 4 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the light. No, the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudoku. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles, I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's a weekend.